Dear Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu-Alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today we gather to celebrate Iqbal Day on the 9th of November. Allama Iqbal, a renowned poet and philosopher, left us with valuable lessons. He encouraged us to be brave, believe in ourselves, and work towards a brighter future. Iqbal's words remind us that our dreams and actions can shape our destiny. Just like he dreamed of a free and prosperous nation, we too should dream big and work hard to achieve our goals. On this Iqbal Day, let's honor this memory by striving for a better tomorrow and by always believing in our potential. Thank you.